Oh my gosh, I got puppies running up and down the hall. So anyways, let's jump on board. So anyways, hi there, I'm Kathy. I'm glad you stopped by. Today's video is going to be all about the Ipsy Glam Bag for May 2020. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to see you stick around and do the big thumbs up and the subscribe. And you know what? Let's jump on board. If you don't know about what Ipsy is, I'll go through a quick rundown. It is a beauty subscription service which has 3 tiers, and they have the Glam Bag for $12 a month, then they have the Ipsy Plus for $25 a month, and then the Ultimate for $50 a month. So this one has like the deluxe size versions, you know, of the samples, while the other ones mostly have full size, but they might have sample versions. But this is like the entry level one, which I really love, and I haven't had it for a while, and you know what, it just kind of spoke to me and I decided to go for it this month. So anyways, let's go and open it up. You get a cute little bag like this, and then you get a makeup bag, which is really cute, and it has all the stuff in it, all the products. So let's open it up. Let me empty it out before we jump in and chit chat about everything we've got. Hang on a sec. Rolling makeup everywhere. So let's jump on and let's chit chat. Look at the cute little ombre that they have for the bag this month. Each month is totally different, and I love the designs. On the back it says Ipsy right there, and you can see where it has the ombre color. You open it up with a nice zipper, and look at that lining. Really cute, and I love getting these bags, and you can give them out as, you know, presents during the holidays, or just keep them and just switch them out when you go on vacation or you change purses, which is really cool. I didn't see any kind of a card in here that went in that described the actual products, which usually it has. And now all of a sudden all the beauty subscription boxes are getting away from that, and they're now doing them electronically. So just want to show you what the theme is right there. It says get that glow, and then in here it talks about, you know, how to get it with highlighters, powder, liquid, and creams. Guess what? There they go again. So anyways, and then they talk about when you're different levels, you can do add-ons. So that's what this is about. So let's jump on and talk about the products. And the first stuff that I have here is from Tarte H2O Gloss. Right here, it is a smaller version, so you know this is the sample size, but I love the Tarte H2O lip glosses. They're really nice. I really enjoy them, and this one is called Sail Away. So here's what the doe foot looks like, and then here's the color. That is a really nice, like, reddy color. It's not too thick. And you know what? I'm getting away from getting the actual lipsticks and getting more into the lip glosses for some ungodly reason. I don't know why, but I'm feeling more comfortable with them. So I'm glad I got this. Then we have next is from the Balm, which is Autobalm Pick Perf. Right there. And this is a shadow. Look at this right there, cute little packaging, and this is in the color St. Charles. And let me do a swatch with my finger. It's a nice little, you know, taupey brown, not too bad. And let me put it on the back of my hand. Not too bad. I kind of like it. And you know what? What's really cool with this is a nice matte, is you can depot these and put them in a Z palette, and you can have a whole collection so you don't have all these little ones kind of floating around on you. Then next up I have, which is really nice, my favorite brush. Look at this. And this is from Ipsy Glam, I believe. And let's see, what does it say? And it's really cute. It has little gems right here like that, and has a nice soft, this would be a nice shader. And look at that. Really nice and soft. It has like the glitter acrylic handle, and then has a nice finial. So I like that one too. And then I got, here we go, it is called Moroccan Magic. Right there it is. And this is, let's see what it says, Argan Essential Oil Lip Balm. So argan oil is really good, especially, you know, for your skin. It really hydrates and it protects your skin, and it's very, you know, really cool to have. I love it on my skin. I use Josie Moran's all the time. Her body butter, the argan oil body butter, that is phenomenal. This one, it is, let's see, does it say? And this is in the Manuka honey, and it's M-A-N-U-K-A honey is the thing. Doesn't have a scent. It has a, you know, the basic little color and goes on. Doesn't have a scent to it, which I thought it would, being, you know, the name of honey on it, but it's not. Pretty cool. I like it. And the last but not least, I have from Dr. Botanicals CO. And this is cocoa and coconut superfood reviving hydrating mask. And this one is, you know, hydrating. It's vegan and it's cruelty free. Has a nice size right here. And the directions say to apply it 2 to 3 times a week, leave it on, and then wash it off after about 15 minutes. So that's okay. But you know what? I like the leave-in masks, you know, for overnight with, the sleeping mask. Those are really good, and oh my gosh, my skin feels just wonderful afterwards. This box kind of looks a little wonky, but that's okay. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got in your box, your bag, excuse me, and let me know if we have subscription bag twins. And you know, I really appreciate your feedback. And you know what? I hope you're having a wonderful day, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a fabulous one. Bye.